Let's just sketch this out. We've got Hamish starting here and Ben starting here. They are 51 miles apart, and Hamish is going to be traveling to the right. Let's say he's traveling at, well, it says he's traveling at X miles per hour. So we're working in miles and in hours here. And then Ben, okay, he doesn't start at the same time initially, but he's going to be traveling at Y miles per hour. So if Hamish starts cycling at noon, then and they meet at 4 p.m., then Hamish would have been traveling for 4 hours. And so his distance traveled would have been 4x, because it's speed times time. And then Ben, meeting at 4 and Ben started at 2, so he was actually traveling for 2 hours. He would have gone a distance 2y. And if I add those two together, I must get 51, because Hamish's distance plus Ben's distance is going to be the total distance between them, because they're meeting, say, at this point here. So I've got a little equation in terms of x and y. Let's take a look at the next part. So if they both started at noon, so they would have met at 2:50. So in this case, they're both traveling for 2 hours and 50 minutes, or 2 hours and 50 over 60 hours, or 2 and 5/6 hours. So I've got another equation now. It would be 2 and 5/6 times x. That would be how far Hamish travels, plus 2 and 5/6 times y. That's how far Ben travels, and that again is going to equal 51. All right, so I can actually factorize the 2 and 5/6 out, and maybe I write it as a mixed number. So that's going to be 17 over 6 times x plus y equals 51. Okay, so I'm just going to play around with this one before I bring in the red one, because this one's a little more awkward. So I can times through by 6 and divide through by 17. Actually, I'm going to divide through by 17 first, because 17 goes into 51. Okay, so it's no longer awkward. X plus y is going to equal 18. And then I'm going to double it. 2x plus 2y is equal to 36. And I've got two equations. So 4x plus 2y equals 51. And 2x plus 2y equals 36. Because I actually want to find out what, I want to find out what y is. Maybe I shouldn't have doubled it, but anyway, I'm going to find x first. That's the way I've gone here. It's okay. I'm going to minus them. So 2x is going to equal 15. And then I'm not even going to work out x. I'm just going to put that back into here. So 2y is going to be 36 minus 15, which is 21. And therefore y is 10.5. X was 7.5, but we weren't asked for that one. So answer is C. Well done.